Do you need friends? Then the FujiQ Friendship Services is what you need. We provide friends who laugh at your jokes, friends who wall twerk, friends that you'll end up having to care for, friends that will care for you, and more.
Roy,
R,
Raw,
B,
Club,
2, Dave,
TVF, the best rock.
Luscious, clean, voluminous. You've heard of Dogecoin. Well, now there's Doge shampoo, clinically tested on humans. 9 out of 10 Joshes report that using this shampoo has made someone do a double take. Warning, we're obligated to inform you under California Prop 69 that using this product may cause reproductive harm by getting you too many mamacitas. Please consult a doctor before using this product.
Have you or a loved one been diagnosed with separation anxiety as a result of exposure to the team Double Take within the last 60 days? You may be entitled to financial compensation. Call 1-800-000-JOSH and get help today.
Do you always feel sad? Do you get bullied by Double Take a lot? Do you need help? Do you want to be cool, popular? But most importantly, do you want to be popular with the ladies? Then you need the Chad glasses. These sexy accessories are a surefire way to boost your confidence and protect you from those darn UV rays. Call 1-800-CHAD-GLASSES at gmail.com to buy 2 and get 1 for free. Warning, these glasses don't medically increase your confidence. This is just a publicity stunt.
Hey Josh,
What?
not you, other Josh.
What?
Are we gonna spend another 45 minutes scrolling through Netflix trying to pick a movie, or can we make a decision?
How about something sim?
And I'm in the mood for something action.
What about Keanu Reeves with sunglasses?
Okay, that was really good, and that's one of my favorite movies of all time, but that was a lot more testosterone than I was thinking.
How about something sim?
Yeah, I'm feeling like a body today. Let's watch something that makes me feel like I can slay.
Exactly what did you have in mind, Mr. Gorilla? I need a gangster to love me better than all the others do. To always forgive me, rather die with me. That's just what gangsters
Yo, Bison.
Oh, are we changing the movie? How about something sick?
Alright, enough of this. If you really don't want to watch this, let's watch something that challenges your brain. We need Bison to actually think for once.
Didn't you forget? His brain is way too smooth. Lisa, sometimes I really want to get into your brain and understand what goes on in there. What kind of dreams you dream.
Ayo, they never want to watch what I suggest. And they end up falling asleep anyway. Well, now it's my time. How about something sick, please? Alright, sick. Time to feel our feels, y'all.
Let's call radio. You're on the air with Shane Powers. Taking requests. What's your name? Hello? Okay, well, since you want to be Mr. fucking Secret Agent, what song you want to hear? The one about me. Okay. You live in my dream state. Wanna come and fantasy. I stay in reality. You live in my dream state. Anytime I can't shake. It's not only time I make up. You exist beyond my limits. So I don't wanna wake up. Can I get it again? Can I thinking this forever? I said, okay, my infatuation literally into another form of what you call it. Oh yeah, I ain't met you on me liquors like a waiting for. I stop the chasing like an alcoholic. You don't understand me, what the fuck do you mean? It's the clothes to the chicks, yeah, it's the dirt color eyes. Sugar, honey, iced tea, bumblebee on the scene. Yeah, I give up my bakery to have a piece of your pie.
Whoa. Alright, where'd we leave off?